Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your phone number on Binance. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you've recently changed your phone number and you'd like to update that on your Binance, then here's how to do it. Open up your Binance application or simply open up your web browser and log into your Binance account first. Type in www.binance.com and press enter. Log into your Binance account. Once you are, click on the human icon at the top right hand and this should bring up an expanded menu. Click on the security button and you'll end up in the security tab. Right where it says phone number verification, click on the change button right next to it. From the pop-up displayed on the screen, confirm your selection by clicking on confirm. It says that once you make this change, your withdrawals, P2P sellings and payment services will be disabled for the next 24 hours. Click on confirm if you'd like to continue, and then on the next page, go ahead and type in the new phone number that you are trying to change to. Once you are done, head over to the next field and click on get code, since you'll be receiving a phone number verification text code sent to your mobile number that you are trying to change. Once you click on the get code button, wait for your verification code to be received. Soon after you receive it, type it in the text field and head over to the next field where it says security verification. Here, you'll need to go ahead and type in your email verification code. Click on get code and you'll receive a 6-digit code on your email address. Open up a new tab and you'll receive an inbox from Binance. Click it on and copy the verification code that you received. Go back to the change phone number page and type in the verification code in the text field. And now on the next field, you'll need to type in the 6-digit code that will be sent to your current mobile number. In order to receive it, click on get code right next to the box and wait for the code to arrive. Once it does, type in the code. Remember that this code is the one that has been sent to your current mobile number. That means the one that you are currently using for your Binance account. After you are done filling in all of the boxes, click on submit at the bottom and your phone number has been changed. Click on the login button and now simply go ahead and enter your email address that is associated with your Binance account, or you can also go ahead and enter your mobile number. Click on the mobile tab at the top and type in your mobile number. Only this time you'll need to type in the new mobile number that you have recently changed to. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your password for your account and click on log in. And soon after you do that, you'll also be able to log in with your new phone number, and in the security tab, you'll be able to see that your phone number has been changed. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.